Radiator's out. New bumpers are here. Old bumpers out. Headlight is out. Miscellaneous shit. We got the new trans cooler. Old condenser right here. We got the new fan and new radiator attached right here. We got the new battery ready to go in. Everything's set. We fixed up the frame of this. Radiator support bracket, brand new. Everything's good. Some coffee. This is ready to go, really. Just need to connect the fan, radiator, toss the trans cooler on there, and the condenser. The new one's still coming in the mail, but and we should be ready to go on this 2018 Durango rebuild.